Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious overnight oats when you live in a van. Okay, it's a little bit windy outside, so I'm going to try and keep my head out of the wind and inside the van. Actually, the wind is one of the most frustrating things I find when you're living van life. But anyway, the last few days I've been making some really nice overnight oats, and I'm going to show you how I make it. So I'm not going to make you watch through in real time while I add all of these ingredients, but I'll just show you what I've got. So I've got some oats, they're just the cheap ones. I should have got the rolled oats instead. I think they're healthier than these ones. I've got some almond milk, but wow, I used coconut milk the other day. It was awesome. You can use oat milk, rice milk, whatever kind of milk you want. In fact, I don't even have a fridge in the van. It's at the time of recording, this is April in Perth. So I tend to make them in the afternoons. It's currently, I'm guessing, probably around 20 degrees Celsius. And overnight temperatures get down to about 12, 14, 16 maybe, depending on which night it is. So you wake up in the morning and they're not really cold, but it's certainly fine to eat and it's good enough. So yeah, so what I was getting at with that is this is 1 liter and this will do me for 2 days. So I'll open it up and I'll make one lot and then I'll just put this back in my esky, in my cooler, and it doesn't get too hot. It's fine for the next day, and then the next afternoon I'll just make up the next lot as well. So you can do it even without a fridge. What do we got here? I got some macadamia nuts, I got some Milo, cranberries, walnuts, pistachios, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower kernels, and importantly, chia seeds. All right, I'm gonna make this up. All right, all done. So I'm gonna just put the lid on this and then let it sit overnight. And before I eat it tomorrow morning, I'll probably just add a tiny bit more milk just so it's not too dry, and just put on a little bit of fresh banana, maybe some blueberries or something on top, and that is gonna be amazing. Okay, it's the next morning and it's been raining on and off overnight and all morning, but the overnight oats have been sitting right here all night, sitting on the metal. Beautiful. So all I'm gonna do is open up the lid and I'm gonna put on a little bit more milk, just a dash more milk. Put on these fresh bananas, and I was planning to go and sit by the beach and enjoy a nice morning down there, but because of the weather, I don't know, it just rained for 10 minutes straight, so maybe I might go and hide away somewhere else or even just sit in the car. Yeah, unfortunately the weather forecast for the next 5 days is mostly rain, so it's gonna be interesting trying to keep stuff dry. But yeah, so this is how you make overnight oats that are absolutely delicious if you're living in a van. Oh, that does look good. Look at that. Really nice. And if you want to see how I'm gonna wash the dishes after I'm finished, I'll link to a video right here for that one. That's it. If you liked today's video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate that a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I post something new. You have a great day, and I will see you next time.